Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to copy Notion page to another workspace. So if you also want to copy Notion page to another workspace, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. After that, click on the search bar and type in www.notion.com. After that, log into your account and you'll be led to this kind of interface. Or you can also directly open Notion application if you're using mobile device. So in order to copy the Notion page, first of all, what you have to do is click on the page that you want to copy. After that, that page will be opened. You can see over here, I have already opened the page that I want to copy. Now simply click on the share option that you can see right over here. Now here you'll be able to find the option for publish. All you have to do is click on it. Now click on the publish option that you can see right over here. Now here you'll be able to find the link. Simply click on the copy icon that you can see right next to the link. After that, that link will be copied. Now go to another workspace. Simply click right over here in your workspace. Now here you'll be able to find another workspace. Open that workspace. After you've opened that workspace, what you have to do is click on the search bar. Now paste that link that we had copied earlier in the search bar. Now press enter. After that, the Notion page will be copied to another workspace. So that is how you copy Notion page to another workspace. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.